1969 Pontiac Firebird, two-door sport coupe, but unique especially in classics. Powered by a 400 V8 underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 4-speed manual transmission, power steering. We'll get a look underneath there here in a bit, but Edelbrock carb and intake. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. But first of all, take a look at this front grille. Chrome headlight surrounds. Shows well up front here. Has had a repaint to this blue. It's similar, I would guess, to a nocturne blue, I guess I would say. And paint does show well. There's a few little spots in the clear. If you get really fussy, get on top of it and try to look for them. Tough even to get them to show up in the camera or the picture. So the paint does show well. You can check out the still picture so you can see this from every angle, top to bottom, inside and out at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. As you can see, writing on the Cooper Cobra radials, Pontiac Motor Division style rally wheels. And the car is straight. Take a look up and down. Passenger side here. Black vinyl interior, bucket seats, of course, with the center console and the 4-speed on the floor. Nice, tasteful little aftermarket gauge cluster in front of that 4-speed shifter. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a look at the rear bumper. Chrome also shows well on that. And again, check out the undersides of this car. So you can see the pans, the frame. Looks good from the underneath, trunk. All those pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, it's going to take you right there. Probably around 100 pictures of this car online. So try to get every angle. If you have any questions, definitely consult with your sales associate. You'll be able to see a picture of the cowl tag or data tag if you want to do any decoding there. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Door panels, nice shape, carpeting also shows well, seat belts intact. As you can see, vinyl seating surfaces, free of rips, tears, holes. And headliner. A shot of that. Sorry about the glare a little bit with the dome light there. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures too. Top of the dash looking good. Let's go ahead and fire this up. I did check a bit ago. Wipers do work. Blower fan works. Had the radio working. And gauge cluster. That was a cold start, so I'd assume that the water temp would be down there on that side. Oil pressure. Good. Voltmeter working. As you can see, here's the radio working, blower fan, wipers all work. One of those cars, get in, turn the key, drive, have some fun. There's your gauges. Alright, slip up behind the car so you can hear it run. Door closes nice and easy. A little rumble coming out of that 400, nothing crazy over the top, just nice sounding car. I'm going to slip up to the front. Let's pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap this video up.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Underside of the hood, looking good. Car you can take to any of your local roll-ins, cruise-in shows. Pop the hood, show off this engine bay. Too proud. There's that 400 again, paired up with that 4-speed manual, power steering, and just a nice, clean, tidy, simple engine bay, HEI ignition, and I mentioned that Edelbrock intake as well as the Edelbrock 4-barrel on there. Smooth runner, sounds good. 1969 Pontiac Firebird Sport Coupe. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description is going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.